Hey you guys, thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. For those of you who are new, welcome. First, I just want to say thank you to everybody that went ahead and participated in my giveaway. I went ahead, I already announced my giveaway already. She did receive her package, so if you guys are interested, it will be linked in my bio on my Instagram. But today's look, I'm just going to be doing a nude color. I am going to be using the Dose of Colors. Oops, wrong side. The Dose of Colors, the Katie and Desi palette, and these are the colors here. You guys see me use this palette before, but I just decided to just kind of do another color, like another look, you know. I really like how it came out. So this is, it's kind of like a very nude, you know, like if you're gonna get married or something like that. It's super cute with also a nude lip color. I also do want to mention that I am going to be having another giveaway once I hit 1,000 subscribers. Sorry, not 1,000 subscribers because I'm only at like 150 something. But I am going to do another giveaway once I reach to 1,000 followers on Instagram. And I will give you guys updates on that. I need to think of some stuff that I want to give away. Some stuff I really like to give away, stuff that I really love. So hey, maybe I'll give away this palette. You never know. We'll see. But yes, please make sure you guys like and subscribe, and also hit that notification bell down below so you guys can get updates for all my future upcoming videos. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Now we're gonna go ahead and go in with FRIENDCATION palette. First color I'm gonna go in with is the necessary color, which is this one right here. And I'm gonna use a fluffy brush. This is in the JH30. And I'm gonna dip into that and just build up the color in the crease area until I'm happy with the color that I have. Okay, so now I'm gonna use another Morphe brush. This one doesn't have a number on it, but it just looks like that. And I'm gonna go in with the color Churro, which is this one right here. I'm placing that one right on the crease. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with another JH32, and I'm gonna go in with the darkest shade in the palette, which this one's called Cheens, which is that right there. And put just a little bit and dust that off, put it right in the outer corner of my eye, and slowly, you see how I'm just moving it very slowly, building up that color at the end. Okay, now with the flatter brush, this is in the M421. I'm gonna go in with the lightest shade in the palette. This one's called Basic, which is this one right here. And I'm gonna place that in the inner corner, right here. Okay, now with a different brush, this is in the JH41. I'm gonna go in with this color called Just a Kiss, that one right there. And we're gonna place that right on top where we place Basic at. Okay, so I'm gonna go back in with that basic color again, which is this one right here. And I'm gonna use a smaller brush. This is JH42. And I'm gonna use that to just place that right here. Okay. So now we can go ahead and move on to foundation. Foundation, I'm gonna go ahead and use a NARS. This is a natural radiant. I am in the color Fiji L5. And this is an old brush that I had bought from Urban Decay to apply foundation. I'm just going to go ahead. I'm gonna go in with the beauty sponge and just blend everything out. Okay, and now I'm just gonna use my favorite concealer, Tarte Shape Tape, in the color light medium honey. Now I'm gonna go in with a different concealer. This is Warm Sand from Too Faced, and I'm gonna use this to contour. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe E17, and I'm just gonna use that to blend out the contour on my nose. So now I'm gonna go ahead and bake. I'm using my Laura Mercier and beauty sponge, and I'm gonna place that under my eye. Okay. Now we're gonna go ahead and bronze up the face. I'm gonna be using my Fenty Beauty, and sorry, it's all dirty. This one is Shady Biz. Using a Morphe M437 brush, fluffy brush like that. I'm just going to use that to just touch up the areas where I contoured at. Okay, now for foundation, I'm gonna go in with NARS. This is called Luster. Looks like that. And just a blush brush. Now, going back in with contour and let that sit in for a second, and then we can go ahead and finish with the eyes. Okay, I'm gonna dust this off here. gonna go back in the palette. I'm gonna mix in Necessary and Churro, which is this one right here, Necessary and Churro. Yeah, I actually got the names right. Just going in with that fluffy brush that I used earlier. And I'm gonna apply that. Okay, now I'm gonna use this is from Tarte, Fake Awake. And it's like a nude kind of color. So I'm gonna place that on my, what is this called? I don't know. Alrighty. Well, definitely made my eyes look a lot bigger too. Eyes always get really watery. Okay, so I went ahead and I already did my eyeliner, which you guys already know my favorite is the NYX one. And if you guys haven't seen it already, this is what the little wand looks like. Very flexible and very super easy to use. I love the fact that you can just always just dip it back in when you need more product. So yeah, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and curl my eyelashes and put some mascara on. So let's go ahead and do that. And then for mascara, I'm just gonna go with the Too Faced one, Better Than Sex one. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lashes. Actually follow a lash line on Instagram. It's called the Lash Cartel. If you guys haven't checked them out, this is her information on there. You should definitely check her lashes out. Very affordable and super cute. And this one is called Musa. Look, just look at this. Just look. Oh my gosh, so pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and of course always start out with the outer corner first. Lash glue. This is something that I purchased off of Amazon because the duo one just kept making my eyes water too much, and this one will stick on to your lid like through a hurricane. I don't know, but it probably would though. Okay, and then I'm gonna go with my cute little mirror from Batty B Lashes and just let the glue dry. Let the glue dry. Super cute. Super cute. Okay. Okay, so I went ahead and I applied the other lash on. I'm gonna go with this Stila. This is in Kitten Karma. And what are these called? Just like the shimmery eyeshadows. And I'm just gonna place that like right in the middle, right there. Just so that way it gives it that pop that I'm looking for. Okay, now for lips, I'm gonna go in with the lip liner, the KKW one. This is in the nude color, Nude 1. Look at that, it's so pretty. Okay, and then since we're using Dose of Colors, I'm gonna use this one here. This is in the color Sand. So pretty, look at that. Oh, I love it. This just gives me like wedding makeup vibes. So pretty. Okay, and then the last thing, of course, is setting spray. And favorite one is the Urban Decay one, the all-nighter one. So I'm just gonna... Oh my gosh, I completely forgot to put highlighter. Always forget something. With my little Daddy B fan, mini fan. Okay, dry. Let me put on some highlighter. I'm gonna use an oldie but a goodie. This is in the Becca one. This is a Champagne Pop. This was like definitely one of my favorites. I love this one. Oh my god, I don't think I'll ever get tired of this one.